welcome back to the channel. My name is Pilumi. If it's your first time coming across the channel, you're welcome. On this channel I share sewing, DIY and craft videos, so if you're interested in such content, please consider subscribing to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss an upload. In today's video, I'm going to show you another great way of utilizing scrap fabrics. In the past, I've done wall arts, even headbands, different things on how to use scrap fabrics, and today is another great way. It's a headband made from scrap fabrics. It is stuffed with scrap fabrics. I completely love it. It's different from the one I had done previously. This one is a top knot headband. I like the style. I also love the braided one, so if you want to check out the braided headband made with scrap fabrics tutorial, do click on the icon that will be on the screen right now and watch that tutorial. But if you're interested in this new one, keep on watching the video. It's really easy and it's a fun way to use your fabrics. And if you found the video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. So I made a dress and mistakenly cut out the wrong piece. So I have these 3 strips of fabrics that I'm going to use to make the headband today. They are each 3 inches wide and about 23 inches long. So if you don't have splitted fabric like mine, cut out one piece of fabric that is 5.5 inches wide and 23 inches long, and then the other one should be 20 inches long and 2 inches wide, and that will be the elastic band casing. So because mine is currently split into different strips, I'm going to take 2 of those strips, place them right sides together, and sew along the 2 long edges to join them together. Then I also folded the other strip in half onto itself, right sides together, to make the elastic casing. So here we go. I have my 2 strips of fabrics all sewn up, one for the main headband and the other thin one for the elastic band. The next thing to do is to turn them right sides out. You can use a loop turner or preferably a safety pin to do this. Now it's time to chop up those scrap fabrics. I'm using the tiny cutout from the dress that I made and that I'm currently wearing to stuff this headband. I love using scrap fabrics, especially this scrap fabric headbands, because it's a creative and still useful way of using fabric that would otherwise have gone to the bin. So anyways, here I am cutting it smaller so that the headband will not be too bulky and it will be smooth. If I stuff it with the large pieces, the headband will be bumpy and it will really not look nice. Yeah, my fabric confetti is ready. It looks lovely, right? Now let's stuff the headband like a sausage using this. So I did not pack the stuffing all the way in like I did for the braided headband. This one is lightly stuffed and still flexible. I also added more stuffing to the sides and left the middle a bit sparse because that's where the knot will be. To make the knot, fold the tube in half to find the middle, then cross the ends over each other and pass one end through the middle and pull it lightly. Then you can also adjust the knot as you see fit, making sure that the ends of the headbands have the same length and that the knot is not folded in an awkward way and it is positioned right in the center. You can also add more stuffings to the end if the stuffings came undone as you were making the knot. I then pin the ends so that I don't lose more stuffings, and the final length of the headband is about 15 inches right now. The next thing to do is to insert the elastic band into the elastic band casing. I cut out the elastic band to be about 8 inches in length, but you can cut this depending on the measurement of your head, starting from one ear to the other ear. After inserting my elastic band into the elastic casing, you have to secure the ends of both the elastic band and the headband with a basting stitch. The flat part of the headband is the part that will be touching your head, so I will refer to this as the back of the headband or the wrong side. Now place the elastic band on the wrong side of the headband and wrap one end of the headband over the elastic band and pin this in place. And then sew this together with a straight stitch. After sewing, turn the corner over like this, and so that the raw edges of the headband and the waist and the elastic band are on the inside. Then after this, do this to the other side of the headband. And with that, you're done with the fabric stuffed knotted headband, the elastic band version without the plastic headband thingy. Sure, that was a long title, but I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I really do hope that you try this headband for yourself. If you do, don't forget to share with me on Instagram at Sewphilia_studios. I really love to see your makes. It's a great way to save fabrics from going to the trash. And it's also a great gift to give to your friends and family in the upcoming festive season. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Will you try this out, and what did you learn? So please also like this video, engage with the video, share with your friends and family, and let's keep this channel growing. Thank you so much for your support so far. I really do appreciate it. So until next time, happy sewing. Bye guys.